Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to say thank you for watching my video. My name is Rudi Hartanto. I'm a lecturer Faculty Economic and Business, Universitas Islam Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. In this opportunity, I want to present my research title Withstand the Temptation and Encourage Unethical Accountant Behavior. Let's begin for introduction in this research. Okay, the first the result of the research from the Associate of Certified Fraud Examiner, a global provide information that annually on average 5% of revenue is lost because of fraud. The result of ACFA report show that the global level losses incurred from fraud reached USD 7.1 billion, and then the number of frauds often that occur in internal organization, especially in the finance department, might indicate that someone who has the accounting skill or specialization will tend to be tempted to behave unethical by acting fraudulent. And then an accounting student is an aspiring accountant or employee in the finance department that need to know and understand unethical behavior so as not to act unethical in their future workplace. The importance of understanding unethical behavior by students, especially accounting students, as work profession in the future. Encourage researchers to look at the accounting student viewpoint on unethical behavior that can lead to fraudulent acts. Okay, in the next literature review. Literature review in this article I used to theory of planet behavior and unethical behavior, and then fraud of theory and empirical evidence. Theory of planet behavior is the future development into the theory of planet behavior, which explains that one behavior intention is formed by two main factors, namely subjective norm and attitude with regard to behavior. And the next theory I have used to unethical behavior. Unethical behavior is described behavior that infringes widely accepted moral norms, such as behavior norms of professional norms that govern interpersonal relationship and regulate relationship in various social settings. And then I used to fraud theory and empirical evidence. Is a fraud definition. Whatever manipulation is general or fraudulent financial statement in particular have the same meaning, which is an intended action manipulate to incur losses. And the next theory, lack of self-control relationship with unethical behavior. Self-control can be identified as a person thinking process to set their impulsive emotion and behavior to achieve overall goals. Self-control can enable a person not to engage in unethical behaviors in order to achieve short-term and long-term benefit. Self-control reduction can ultimately increase unethical behaviors. Illustration: the result that lack of the self-control has a positive impact on unethical behaviors. Based on this explanation, the hypothesis in this study, lack of control is positively associated with unethical behaviors. Okay, social moral value relationship with unethical behaviors. Social moral value is positively associated with unethical behaviors. Research methodology. The population used in study accounting student at the one of the private university in Indonesia, and this is a research model in figure 1 in this article. Cognitive impairment, impulsive behavior, getting rich, lack of self-control, and social moral value have positive significance in unethical behavior accountant. Okay, and the result of in this article, the first hypothesis testing the result about cognitive impairment against unethical behavior demonstrate a significant value. The result revealed that the significant value of cognitive impairment construct was above 0.5, which means it did not show significant effect on unethical behavior. The hypothesis result differed from a result of the study Owusu et al. The second hypothesis testing result in the form of impulsive behavior against unethical behavior saw a significant value of 0.41. The significant value above 0.5, which can be interpreted that impulsive behavior has no impact on unethical behavior, was indicated from this finding. The result of the third hypothesis testing in form of getting rich against unethical behavior shows significant result of 1% and with a beta value of 0.2. The result indicated that the significant value was below 0.5%, which can be interpreted getting rich as a positive impact on unethical behavior. Okay, and the fourth hypothesis, the result of this form of lack of self-control against unethical behavior saw significant result. The result indicated that the insignificant value was below 0.5%, which can be interpreted that the lack of self-control has a positive effect on unethical behavior. The results were consistent with previous study Chen, Kino et al. And Owusu et al. And the 50 hypothesis testing social moral value against unethical behavior saw significant result. The result indicated that the significant value above 0.5 or 5%, which can be interpreted that social moral value has no impact on unethical behavior. The result were in the line with research from Owusu et al. And conclude. Okay, then the conclusion in this article, the potential for unethical behavior can occur in any organization. Unethical behavior can arise from the ability or temptation of oneself and surrounding environment. The rise in unethical behavior had led to the increase in awareness prevalent in the workforce. These findings show evidence that the student potential to involve in unethical behavior in the future pose a challenge to instill early and ethical behavior in order to prevent unethical behavior. For the future research, can add to more variable income of the nature with a threat than to take more that is solved and unidentified. Okay, thank you for watching my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.